You
I'm gonna die.
died already.
Yes, because of 2 alpha.
Oh my days, I found Damien Flute. Eva, can you wait?
Cynthia,
You
Cynthia tried being 99 nights right now. But I died in day 1 because of 2 alpha.
2 alpha. Okay, I have a rifle, so I'm not bound. I told you, Eva. Oh my days. Eva, I'm about to die.
Oh, my sister's over for Cynthia.
Yeah, let's start from over. And so now you better log in. We didn't even get to. Say that. And we go. Bumping together like go ahead, put your mind. Anything you want, just to put the smile on it. Love it, baby, you deserve it all. Nothing to you. Are you wearing shorts in there?
Yeah,
Like jean shorts?
yeah.
Okay, at least we all wearing jean shorts.
I'm wearing my flower one.
Oh. Zendaya, how much diamonds do you have?
Let me check quick.
I have 177. You're 171. Guys, if I complete this quest, bro,
I'm going. Wait, that's how much on the diamond.
bro, I want to get a nice glass.
This need it right now.
The Nightcrawler doesn't seem so nice.
Yeah, it's great.
Okay. What if they do the discount thing again? Okay, Eva, let's just continue saving up for Assassin and Cyber Gang Hooter.
Yeah, I'm gonna say what's up.
I really join. Or I might save up for Vampire.
I found my corner.
Okay.
That's
Join.
me.
Join Send.
And I don't want to. At home.
And oh yeah,
Okay,
and another.
it doesn't want to join.
Then I don't know. I really don't know.
It doesn't want me to join you guys. What do you mean?
Then join us for Eva.
No, why not? I'm joining for Ava. Okay, then come join me.
Wait.
I can't. They kick me out.
Oh my days, and yeah, you so unserious about this. Must we just play? Where did Eva go now?
I got kicked out a million times. No, 3 times I got kicked out when I joined you, and I tried to join Ava. So now, you think go out into Roblox and then you clear your stuff out and then you wanna start making Roblox.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna put on my glasses and lock in. Okay, let's end there, join.
Yeah, I'm training on time.
Physical.
No,
Physical feeds. Physical.
nah, guys, you cannot play because I see you not for nothing. Then there is your door open by your house.
What do you mean? To let the Wi-Fi
No.
in?
I'm busy eating and it's not open. I mean by when you get inside the house,
Oh,
the door
okay.
open.
To let the next door neighbor's Wi-Fi
I
in.
don't know. Because can help you.
Okay, physical
I'll
feeds.
I'll
Physical
see what's
feeds.
going on with the Wi-Fi. Leave I'll see what's going on with the Wi-Fi.
Wasn't there? Can you let it up, please?
Yeah. Turn upgrade in the casting range.
Ava, you better get a nice fire.
Yeah.
Ava, I bet you don't have this. Physical feeds. Physical feeds.
Yeah, because I don't have that many.
Okay, this one was a bit hard to get, but I'm sure Ava got it. Wait, not this one. Ava, do you have this one? Physical feeds. Physical feeds. Ava, do you have this one? Yay!
I guys can play without me.
So now we're waiting for you. What's going on?
You guys cannot play. Because nothing's working.
Did you see this Twitch Blockfest festival?
Wait, let me go to the check up. Grand helper.
I want you well.
No, guys, I have to play the other account.
Okay, Ava, don't go. Sandra's gonna play on our account.
Aku di next door. But then I'm gonna decline the call by me. No, you gonna stay there by house. I'm gonna play on my account, Ava. You on the call, you don't need to come, so I can decline the call. I was going to decline the call, not you. No, Ava, leave my it's fine.
I think that Ava should stay where she is, because then it's hard to hear you guys. Because Ava, you sit there on the other side of the world when you're not on video call. When you both are not on video call. But then when you are both on video call, you sit next to each other. And then I can't hear Ava properly. Because it's physical feeds.
Nothing is different than the old one day.
What?
I say the class shop is better than the old thing there.
No, the old one. If I do remember the old one where you could go inside there and then there used to be the glass shop in the diamond shop thing.
Yeah.
And then it used to look like what's it called again? Like when you go buy stuff like guns and stuff. No, we're waiting for you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I want you. Guys, I'm saving the children. I'm saving the children.
I'm gonna go in and go sleeping.
No, we must get fuel. And then Zendaya is gonna be the helper. Zendaya join.
Zendaya join.
Zendaya join. Zendaya, we're gonna leave you now because you're taking forever.
Are you still on the call?
I don't think so.
Come on, let's not leave up.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Oh, she joined in. Zendaya. Never mind.
What was it?
I just heard boom. That's what she joined in.
Me too.
Zendaya.
I heard you say that she joined back and then I heard the blue.
Yeah. I thought that about and I said Zendaya did something. Zendaya.
Maybe it was when she left the bloop sound. Okay, Ava. I hope this round is good as the other round. So
Yeah. Did you take the call?
yeah, I took it. I'm gonna go look for another goal so we can get the level 3. I actually don't understand this jungle biome, Pukakas.
You know what's actually really jungle but
No.
But it's easily so hard to survive these
The Farkis.
enemies.
This Farkis there in Ava.
Yeah, I know.
Remember the time when the Farki came into our base?
Yo.
Ava has a flashlight for you.
I already have one. Sorry.
Ow, so
Hey,
fast.
but I did thank you.
Ava,
Yeah.
are you close to where I am right now?
Not sure, but I'm close to the kid. There's a few can there.
Okay, go get the fuel can. Oh, I just got a fuel can. Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from, Kanajo? Please be a good sake. 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 And it's a good sake. I have a new rule now. If you kill something, you have to pick up some food. Even if you pick up one steak. Because like we need food. Oh, I think I found the kid. I don't know which kid it is, but I found it. I swear if it's the second kid, I'm still gonna rescue it. Yep, it's the second kid. And all I have, this one is the closest, which is very dangerous. Okay? And now, I'm just waiting for my... Oh, there's a goal. So, yeah. Ava, did you save the first kid?
Must I save the first kid?
Wait. Go build a map and then just go ping.
I'm going to build a map just now.
Yay.
Must I?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been married a long time ago. And now I need to kill that alpha wolf that's there. Because if I go fetch that coal that's there, the alpha wolf is gonna come. Technology. It can't get me.
I need to play.
Bro. A normal wolf just
Because I wanna go up there by the first kid.
going up. Oh, a golden chest.
Oh man.
A strong X. That's actually so crazy. Nah, bro, ever we grinding. No gonna. I try to pick up as much food as I can, but I had coal and stuff in my hands. It was very, very. I don't need this good X. Are you saving it? Are you saving it first? What is this? I lost to find the ruby now. Yay.
Yes, I think I started when I found the movie.
Nah, but it's crazy. Do you have the kid in your sack?
Yeah, I have to give him nothing.
There's so
I
much.
can't even down right now.
There's so much places to loot from and so much. Oh, I found the hospital. I have to kill this alpha wolf. Strong X. Yo, I'm gonna die. I better you pick up the food, I better kid.
No, I couldn't. I had to keep in my set and plus some food that you said I must bring out.
Yay. Ava, I'm gonna die. Please say there's a piece of cake. I just said I wanted a piece of cake. And then I got a piece of cake. Good.
Okay.
Dino. Oh, another bandage. Why are we grinding?
Literally. I found an oil below. After the cultures by the kid.
Okay, that's www. Okay, let's go home now.
What did it?
Eva. What the hell? Okay, let's go save the third kidney. Because we are so W and WW. Oh, I forgot to bring the food back home. But I brought chairs though. Wait, I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'm back. Bro, day
In a bed.
Bro, day 3. We already have level 5 fire. Nah, bro, we actually grinding so badly. I can't even. Like, by the last child, can I get the. Oh my days. Yay. Wait for me, Mosh. Enemy. Ava, help me! Ava, you were busting running away here. Ava, help!
To kill them.
Yeah, can you help me? Ava, what does it look like I'm doing? Ava, shoot! Yo, ne, Ava. I dare you are shooting Mus. And now you're shooting the frog. Oh my days. Nah, bro. Why didn't you help me shoot them?
Chasing you.
I'm only gonna pick up stakes right now. Let's go with safe. There's no other safe way.
Really? Okay.
Beep boop. Ava. Ava, how'd you die?
It was low.
Who was low?
Me.
On. Okay, I just got a bandage. I'm coming. Wait, let me open the chest real quick, ne. I'm gonna revive you there where we stand on top to shoot the child.
Yeah.
Oh my days. Okay, Ava, you're gonna have to wait 3 minutes. Cause bailalo, localo. I'm shooting the spear from here on top. I'm hungry. At least it's a good thing that I brought some steaks with me. So, Valalo, Logan.
Lava would enable loved.
What? Okay. Dom tiki 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 dom taka taka taka. I'm busy killing this.
Everyone with your family.
What?
Everyone with your family.
No. Oliver, I'm almost done killing the bears by the child. I'm standing here.
Oh, you already there by the child?
No, I'm standing here on top. You're far away. I'm standing here by the where am I now? Here on the tree house. Here on top. There's two wolves spawning. And they just drop from the sky. Oh my days, this is so funny.
If I was in your state right now, I was gonna be laughing.
What?
It's about to be morning. Good morning, my God.
Okay, I'm hungry now. Mommy? Come to where? Okay, it's open.
Watch it.
I'm very sorry, but
It's a golden.
no, it's a. I got a rifle.
Come save me, please.
I'm coming. I got your bear belt.
Oh, thank you.
Dom
Wait, I'm
digi
not
digi
right.
digi
I'm not
dom
sure.
taka taka taka. I was about to shoot this elf wolf, but it's not the elf wolf. They killed you. How low is
What?
it? How low is the elf wolf?
Bravo. No.
Ava!
How low? I couldn't even take a chance to take out my gun.
I'm gonna die,
So I
Ava.
could shoot the alcohol.
Oh my days. Why did you leave the game so fast?
I was trying
I'm going to. Dai, Nani. Oh, Nani. Mas ini. Ay, ano. Ano.